Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Fahad Mirza and I am going to present you prompt canvas from LangChain in this video. This tool seems quite simple, but I believe the value is quite high. If you have been following my channel and watching me chat with a lot of large language models, generating text or generating images, generating videos, you see that sometimes the response of the LLM is not really up to the mark, and I have to tinker with the prompt and the settings to get it right. Prompt engineering is a real field. But I believe that in the future, even this prompt engineering will be handed over to the LLMs. We would just say what we need to be done, and LLM will be intelligent enough in double quotes to get our prompts right. Prompt engineering at the moment as we speak is not really of a very exact science and high quality. You have to make sure that your prompt is right to get the response back from these models. That is where this prompt canvas tries to help. They have taken the inspiration of this canvas from OpenAI's canvas tool, by the way. Prompt canvas is an interactive tool which has been designed to simplify and accelerate the prompt creation experience. With Prompt Canvas, you can collaborate with an LLM agent to iteratively build and refine your prompts. This approach not only saves time, but enables you to craft highly optimized prompts for any use case. Instead of manually adjusting your prompts to follow best practices, Prompt Canvas leverages expertise of an LLM agent to automate prompt development and offer guidance. This interactive and conversational setup makes prompt creation dynamic, empowering you to optimize as you go while still maintaining control over the process. So let's try to get it working and we will see how it performs. Before I do that, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are AgentQL. AgentQL is a query language that turns any web page into a data source. With its Python SDK and live debugging tool, you can scrape and interact with web content. AgentQL works on any page, it is resilient, it is reusable, and it structures the output according to the shape of your query. Okay, so now we know what exactly this is. Let me take you to this prompt canvas from LangChain, and I will drop the link to it in video's description. So you would need to go to smith.langchain.com. LangSmith is another tool from LangChain. Now, this is the interface of this prompt editor. This is primarily the playground which LangChain gives you. There are some free credits available if you sign up, and that is quite cool, but there are of course some limitation and throttling. Now in this playground, you see that I am here in this playground on the left hand side. Once you are here, you will see something like this prompt, messages, and chatbot. You would need to click on this magic wand which says open canvas. If you're doing it first time, you would need to put in your OpenAI's API key, and that is a paid option and you can grab it from platform.openai.com, and this is a hosted solution, by the way. Now here you can chat with the LLM agent, or basically the LLM, and behind the scene it is using the agent from OpenAI, I believe with GPT-4o model, and you can just talk with it and ask it to create a prompt for you. You can, for example, say that I am trying to get, maybe I'll say, summary of top stocks from last year in Australia. Give me a prompt to retrieve that info. And then I have pressed enter. There you go. Look at the prompt. Now you can change the reading level to make it more complex. For example, I just scroll it to the right. There you go, it is more complex now. And you can highlight any text here, and then you can instruction change it to maybe 20 stocks. Press enter. There you go, now it is 20 stocks. You can also change the length. Maybe I'll just say make shorter. now it is shorter. Another cool thing is that you can just click on custom actions, add custom. You can say that put maybe all prices, or maybe I'll just say the pricing, and prompt is all prices should be in Australian dollars, and then click here, and our pricing action is here. And then you can change it. I'll just say also add a sample stock and its price. Press enter. There you go. And then you can say, or maybe you can just select from here, and you can say make it a dollar figure. And I didn't select the increase in full. There you go. So it is $25. And then you can apply the pricing here. There you go. Now it is Australian dollar. How cool is that? And then you can also check out the difference. There you go, expressed in Australian dollar. And this is the one. So this is how easy it makes to do the prompt engineering. And if you have dabbled in the prompt engineering, you know that especially when it comes to image generation or text manipulation, this is not an exact science. We need really help. And especially, if we are coming from, a different background, whether technically or linguistically, it becomes more of a challenge. But all in all, you can see that this is quite good. And this is a versioning information, current and current version. You can change it as you like. So all in all, very impressive tool, I would say, very valuable too. I think that this is going to be a good option. And in my opinion, it also gives us another idea of building something similar with open source model, which a tool which we could install locally. So if you're looking to build a tool and after some ideas, maybe this could be a good idea, where you could build something like this, integrated with maybe Llama based Llama 3.2 model. I think this doesn't require very huge level of reasoning, so should be good. And Llama 3.2 is not bad at all. So that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what do you think about this prompt canvas, and if you know of any other similar tool, please feel free to put it in the comments. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for all the support, and thank you for watching.